What up, guys? Mr. Dex Tech. I was giving you guys a quick tip on how to do the axle on the BMW. I watched a couple video and I see that a lot of these guys and them, they're removing a lot of stuff. They remove the rotors, backing plate, and a lot of stuff I don't necessarily think you need to move just to get to an axle. So I'll just give you guys a quick tip on the way we do it. And like I say, right side, left side is the exact same thing. So you have these two bolts here, one there, and the fork which goes in here. So this is one, this is another one. You press it down, you move it aside, you push the fork out, and you shift the axle out from the fork. And you just pry the axle out from right back there. There's a little space there where you could see the axle, the light and thing. You have a fork you could put inside there and press it out, or you could just tap it out with a chisel or something. So yeah, you don't necessarily have to remove the rotors and all this kind of crap. Alright, nice.